The market is absolutely flying, ladies and gents. We're seeing crypto go wild again. Bitcoin hit that fabulous $50,000 mark. And boy, oh boy, it feels like we've been here before and we know what comes next. We really are just feeling that euphoria. We're getting that excitement. We're only $19,000 away from retesting Bitcoin's previous all-time high. So this is really exciting. Now, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. That helps so much before we do start with this video. And as you can see, a myriad of wonderful pumps here on screen. We've got Beam up 70%, DYM up 80%. But in this video, we're going to look at my 5 favorite coins to be buying sort of this month, this week. Ones that I've already bought a bit of, but will probably continue to buy more of as I see opportunities arise. So let's check it out as the markets do enter a $1.87 trillion valuation. And you can see on the year from that previous high we had around 1.77 trillion. This is the biggest amount we've seen the crypto markets valued at in the last year. So this is very exciting as we sail our way towards a $2 trillion market valuation. Now let's continue. Coin number one will of course be Bitcoin. I'm seeing a very bullish setup here for Bitcoin. Maybe traders would like to sort of long this, or I don't know. It's up to you. Not financial advice. It could also do the opposite and go short. But I think right now with Bitcoin's massive strength and its positive uptrend and the halving just 64 days away, we're likely to see some positive continuation here. Fundamentally speaking, very, very strong. Technically speaking, as well, seeing a very, very nice looking bull flag set up, which could offer another 5% pump to the upside in this symmetrical triangle with a 5.56% leading to $52,000 for Bitcoin. Maybe in the next few days or weeks, we could close daily Bitcoin candle in the green. And if we do, things could look amazing, because right now we've got a bit of a doji candle, a bit of selling pressure, and we could see a reversal to the downside. But I've got strength that Bitcoin could actually increase in price further and actually move in to the next range of resistance, which is $52,000. Absolutely bullish here. Really, really good to see this. 200-week moving average on Bitcoin, we are hovering above now. Things are going into sort of a warmer, overheated territory, but it doesn't mean there's still no upside potential. So massive, massive congrats to Bitcoin, nearly hitting that $1 trillion in market capital. This is huge, guys. We're nearly at $1 trillion. Give us a like, smash that thumbs up, please, guys, and comment on this video. Let the world know. Let's celebrate about this 50K, 1 trillion valuation, because, you know, if you're a crypto head, this is something to celebrate right now. We're catching on Apple, we're catching on gold, we're catching on some of those big S&P 500s and tech companies in terms of valuation. Coin number 2 will be Smog token. This is a meme coin we recently looked at, which did over a 2,000% increase in price. Why Smog? Well, I'm seeing a nice area of valuation, a point of interest at 0.026 region, 0.031 region. This is a 70% correction, a coin which has got relentless marketing force behind it. But with this 70% correction, this is where only usually the smart money get into coins. You know, the sort of people that more trade on an emotional basis and see more fear or react to fear in the minds, they wouldn't be buying these levels. Only the sort of whales and the smart money would, and that applies to all cryptocurrency. So I see Smog as potentially being one that could do well. I've got a link down below, not financial advice of course, but this is a meme coin. You can see it's 10% off at the moment. You can buy it on the website. You can also stake for a 42% APY if you wanted to. Smog is growing quite a lot, and more there's more marketing around the corner. You can see already some massive statistics of over 14k holders, $32 million MC market capital, and 38,000 plus cross-platform community. So Smog is looking really, really good, and hopefully, you know, we can still see some more upside potential. For those that did get in early to Smog, you're still up massively if you are holding the bag. And if you did buy at 0.022, you're still up around a 50%. The next coin will be Sponge. I know it's a meme coin, not for everyone, but they've now got 9.2 million total staked and bridge. And Sponge is in a very, very positive trajectory. We were talking about it recently, because Sponge was trading in this ascending channel, this horizontal channel right here, which it did get another breakout of. It actually reached our price target. You can see on our 1.618 Fibonacci, and we're still getting more bullish continuation here to the upside. So I'd really hope that we could now reach the next target, which would be the 2618 over here. And if we do get that 2618, it could take us up another 12% on the Sponge coin right here. It's of course on the Polygon chain now. It's also on Ethereum, so it's got that multi-chain benefit now. It depends on which sort of chain you want to be buying on, but overall this is awesome. And Sponge V2 has not yet done its thing. It's not gone on bigger and better exchanges yet, but it will be soon. So this is very, very bullish. You can research Sponge if you want to, my link down below. Launching soon. Bullish roadmap, as you can see. $100 million market cap is the big goal here. Right now they're sitting about 35 or something like that. I can't fully remember off the top of my head, but yeah, looking good. And of course the staking side of things, it's got 1,387% APY when you're going through the Polygon chain. Looks really, really good. Guys, also just want to announce that I've added 9 new Crypto Legend slots. If you want to get over 500 trading signals per month, but be the first also hear about the VIP opportunities like Smog, when it was really trading low and you made over 20x there. If you want to make some money and get in this high network of pool of people and join in on the fun, so you can also, you know, enjoy. Because look, we're already letting people know that there's a new fair launch coming out soon that I've been potentially told about. Don't know when really, but it's on the horizon. And if you did get in early, you would have enjoyed the Smog token that was dropped in the ultra early section of the Discord. So you've got to be a VIP patron to enjoy those exclusive benefits, because, you know, if you want to make money, you got to invest in also the platforms to do so, right? It's like education in some sort of way. So yeah, check that out. Coin number 4, guys, will be Seoin. I'm still very, very bullish on this ecosystem. We did see Seoin come up to 0.86 over the last few months, and it did drop down to 0.58, which is a great dollar cost average opportunity. Overall, with Sei, I'm bullish on the website, which have now updated. As we can see, 380 ms time to finality, 12.5k transactions per second, 1.2 billion transactions as well. And yeah, I'm just really, really bullish on this ecosystem. Looking at the markets on Binance, Coinbase, and a few other big exchanges out there, but I don't think we're at all near global adoption for this particular ecosystem. So keep on doing some researching on Seoin. I think it can go far. Coin number 5 will be the OG Ethereum, which has now risen from $2,200 up to 2.67k. Ethereum has a $321 billion market cap, just a third of Bitcoin. But remember, the flippening does occur. Sometimes, every now and then, we might get the flippening happening for Ethereum. Importantly, from a fundamental point of view, Franklin Templeton joins the spot Ethereum ETF race. So just like Bitcoin ETF hype, Ethereum also gets its own spot ETF news. And if this happens, we could see a massive amount of volume and liquidity driven into the Ethereum ecosystem, which would help pump Ethereum, of course, giving it more exposure to the legacy markets and traditional stock markets and things like this, allowing it to be a vehicle or an instrument to put more sort of money into Ethereum. And that would give it more access through some massive, massive buying powers, potentially like VCs, you know, hedge funds, big institutions, maybe even banks will become more interested in Ethereum, which I think, you know, they all secretly are, right? You know, they're also anti-crypto, but secretly all these bankers are probably buying all of the dips behind the scenes. And yeah, and they probably even control the news. They probably control the news, you know, because, you know, the thing is, guys, articles only cost a couple $100, and it's quite easy if you're a millionaire or a billionaire just to order 3 months straight worth of negative news or bullish news to push any sort of narrative that you want. And, you know, that's one of the things in crypto that does happen. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Bitcoin is sitting at 49.9k. Hopefully, the next time we make a video, we'll be at 50k plus and holding nicely. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Get yourself into the Jacob Crypto Clan. We've got over 21,000 members. The Discord link is just down below. Consider becoming a patron if you want to unlock all those juicy VIP benefits, and check out the Smog coin as well as Sponge if that does interest you at all. Thanks for watching. Stay crypto safe. Nothing in this video is financial advice as always. And yeah, catch up soon, guys. Subscribe and like, comment. And I'm not going to say that anymore because, yeah, it's cringe, man. It's cringe. Right, see you soon.